Welcome back to Canva for Authors. There's just been a really exciting new thing that Canva's just popped up, and I thought I'd do a quick video to show you how to change the color of a character's clothes. So to go from this to this, which is pretty cool, which is really useful if you are doing a book cover or if you've got, say, a character who, like the girl in the red dress, that kind of thing, and you need them to be wearing something specific. It also works for objects. So let's go to, just got an Instagram portrait thing here, and we go to elements. Let's look for woman in blue dress. It works very well with graphic elements, but let's do it with this one, which is there's a woman in a big floaty blue dress. Now this only really works if you've got a high contrast between the thing that you want to change and the background. So you go to edit photo. Okay, and if you go to adjust and scroll all the way down, you find this thing called color edit. Like I say, this only pops up in pictures where there's quite high contrast and there's quite a strong color set. So you've got that blue. And then what you can do is you can change the hue and the saturation. So let's make it purpley. And then you can make it dark purple or light purple. And you can make it very bright or much darker. And there you go. And then you can also mess around with the sharpness and the clarity. And you can choose whether you're doing the foreground or the background or all of it. So yeah, so you've got the same woman. Just to show you the original. Just a different color dress. How cool is that? Also, one of the nice things you can do with it, let's get the original photo and use that. One of the other things you could do with it is you can turn the background into black and white. So you go to adjust, select background, and then what you're going to do is you're going to move the color vibrance down and the saturation down, and oh, don't know why it's having a moment there, but now you've got black and white background, color foreground. Really easy to do. So hope you found that useful. I'm really excited to play with this. I'm looking forward to trying to do lots of different things with it. Yeah, let me know what you do. And if you are an author that would like to meet other authors and talk about Canva, come and join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps me know that these videos are useful to you. I'll be back soon with more videos playing around with Canva. Thank you for your time.